In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly set up payment processing and deposits on Acuity Scheduling. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your payment processing seamlessly integrated and your deposit settings configured to align with your business needs. Let's dive in step by step to ensure your setup is smooth and straightforward. First, we'll begin by connecting a payment processor. Go ahead and log into your Acuity Scheduling account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll find the payment settings option. Click on that to proceed. Now you'll see various payment processors available, such as Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Choose the one that best suits your business needs by clicking Connect next to your preferred processor. Follow the on-screen instructions. They will guide you through, providing necessary details to facilitate this integration. Ensure all entered information is accurate to avoid any interruptions in processing client transactions. Once you've successfully connected your payment processor, it's time to enable the feature that allows for deposits. Head back to your payment settings if you're not still there. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Collect Deposits or Full Payment. Clicking on this will open your deposit settings. For those of you who prefer to apply one consistent policy across all of your appointment types, make sure the option to use the same method for all appointment types is switched on. If, however, your services vary and you require individual policies, toggle this off to specify particular appointment types and policies. Next, decide whether you'd like to collect a percentage of the total cost or a fixed amount for your deposit. This flexibility allows you to cater the deposit request to the unique nature of each service you offer. Opt for deposit amount, percent, if you're inclined towards collecting a percentage, or choose deposit amount for a set sum up front. Once you've made this decision, carefully enter your desired percentage or dollar amount for the deposit. With these details in place, you have one last crucial step. Click Save to ensure all of your new deposit settings are applied. This action finalizes your setup, ensuring that moving forward, clients are clear on the payment expectations and you have the security of a deposit to protect your time and services. There you have it, a complete setup in Acuity Scheduling to manage payments and deposits. Whether you're just starting out or refining your existing process, these steps will help your business run more smoothly and professionally. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and easy to follow. Don't hesitate to review any parts of the video if needed.